Welcome to ECN Trade Daily Video. Before we begin, it should be noted that any advice is of a general nature only and that your personal circumstances have not been taken into consideration. Hello everyone, my name is Rob Clayton and thank you very much for joining me. Overnight, the Australian dollar lost further ground after failing to sustain renewed gains towards 79.48. Its retreat ended up lowing at low of 78.98. Viewing the quality of the daily studies, it is evident that the market is still holding to a negative sentiment. Therefore, I expect to see further moves from current levels of 79.15 down towards 78.80 and could see a move towards 78.50 and reassess from there. Trading from the bear side, do be a little bit cautious that we could see a rebound from 78.50. The reason behind that is I'm not fully confident at this stage of a firmer US dollar. So we could see a little bit of short covering or profit taking towards 78.50 and look towards resistance of 79.60 as a short-term cap. Well, the euro failed to continue on from its bearish heavy decline on Friday. After losing 161 points, the market is now currently stabilizing in front of that support line at 116.80.90. Nevertheless, the technicals at this stage are still remaining overbought and are slightly declining. As you can see, the histogram may be soon giving a break through the threshold of the zero. This would give further support to the negative side and look towards either 116.80 to 114.80. But the dollar index still needs to break higher. It's trading around 93.50. It did get to a high of 93.77 on Friday. Now clearing the resistance of 93.60 does give further scope up to 95. There is your move for the euro down towards this region that I'm calling. Any advances should find a cap around 118.20.25 on the day. Well, the dollar yen case at the moment is still relatively firm against the Japanese yen as the market looks further to the upside to 111.10 to 111.60. With a base now seen at 110.05.15, any pullback should find an opportunity to buy on dips. Purely for the fact is that the technicals are holding to a relatively bullish stance. I would like to see further confirmation though through the zero to get that move or ignite it on towards its objective. Well, the Great British Pound still remains heavy since the bearish outside range day for one, and also the break of the uptrend for two at 130.70. In light of the pattern, the immediate support comes in now at 130.15. Now, a break beneath 129.80 does give the next target of 128.50. However, from the break of the uptrend, I feel that level has been exposed, so we'll see how it plays out, with any advances now finding the cap around 130.80 to 131.10. The gold outlook, pretty much the same as silver. Since the market retreated from that 1,274 resistance, little momentum has been able to be sustained, and now from the heavy candle on Friday, now looks towards the support of 55, which could bring in a target of 49.50. It is viewed from there that we could see a rebound, but what is concerning is the fact that the technical implications are not fully supportive of a recovery in the short term. Therefore, we could see not at 49, but down towards 1,244 before any rebound. Resistance on the day is likely to cap at 1,263. To wrap up with oil, the market's trading sideways. Now, since the weakness from 50.40, the market locked in its parameters of 48.40 to 50.40. From the technical point, I expect to see further weakness. Now, if we do see a break beneath 48.40, this would give the next objective down towards 46.70. Any advances should still fail while this pattern holds. Thank you very much for joining me. I hope you have a wonderful day ahead.